What's up, everyone? Brought out my 3D printed Sportster. This one I printed using pre-foamed lightweight PLA. This is only the second or third flight I have on this model. I'll leave links in the description to other flight videos and the aircraft with other motors and printed out of different types of PLA. This thing flies absolutely amazing, printed out of active foaming lightweight PLA. Now this one with the pre-foam PLA, it is heavier, so the landing speed is a little higher. It doesn't float as much, but with that wide wing chord, it still does pretty well. The landing speed is not high where you're gonna be afraid to break the aircraft landing. It's not that high, it's not that heavy. Now with the PLA Plus version, it was pretty heavy. It was about 1,800 grams or so. This one, all up weight, 2200 battery, 35-36 motor, was 1,370 grams. Whereas the the active foaming was between like 870 and 950, depending on what type of PLA you printed out of and the size motor that's in it. So I'm really happy the way that this thing turned out. It's not a lot of printing, and it's very easy to put together. Trying to use my rudder in turns. I only got my timer set to 4 minutes with this flight. Yeah, I have telemetry. She lets me know when I go above 100 feet. Also hooked up telemetry for the battery. I don't normally use that stuff, I just do it just for fun. It does have a gyro in it, but I didn't hook it up. Maybe down the road I will. It has dual servos, one for each aileron, so you can put flaps on this thing if you want to. And the wheels and the rims, they all print out of PLA, or TPU rather. That's 100% throttle there. Cruising right along. So I'm gonna get ready to bring this thing in. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button or subscribe to future builds of mine or future videos. It helps other people find my work. My name is Bill from HoloModels RC. I'm gonna go back around. One more pass. I didn't want to go into the grass there. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk at you next time.